Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure background checks using Experian RentBureau. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure background checks using Experian RentBureau, start by visiting the Experian RentBureau website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section that allows you to manage background checks. Select the option to create a new background check. Fill in the required information for the tenant you wish to screen. Make sure to input the tenant's name, address, and social security number accurately. Choose the type of background check you want to perform. Options typically include credit checks, eviction history, and criminal background checks. Review the terms and conditions related to privacy and consent. Check the box indicating that you have obtained the tenant's consent. After completing the form, click on the Submit button. Wait for the system to process the background check. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once completed, you will receive a notification. Go to the Results section to review the background check findings. Pay close attention to any red flags, such as eviction history or outstanding debt. If you need further evaluation, consider contacting the tenant for clarification. Finally, make your decision based on the findings and your rental criteria. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.